Welcome back, student. This is your computer application code 165 and here is your first chapter, Basics of Information Technology. In this video we will cover input devices. Basically we are going to discuss two input devices here. So let's start with the definition of input devices. As we all know, input devices are those devices through which we can insert data into our computer system. So basically we are talking about the very first input device which is held by every computer devices is keyboard. It is a text-based input device that allow the user to input alphabets. Alphabets means A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and other characters like plus, minus, divide, etc. It consists of a set of keys mounted on a board. So here is four parts of keyboard. First is alphanumeric keypad. It consists of keys for English alphabets, 0 to 9 numbers and special characters like plus, minus, divide, multiplication, bracket, etc. We are saying it alphanumeric keypad because this type of keypad is a combination of alphabetic keypad and numeric keypad. Second is our functions keys. There are 12 functions keys labeled F1, F2, F3, up to F12. The function assigned to these keys differ from one software package to another. That means if we are using different kind of computer system, the work of these functions keys may be different. Okay, third is our numeric keypad. Numeric keypad is located on the right side of the keyboard and consists of keys having numbers 0 to 9 and mathematical operators plus, minus, divide defined on them. So we are saying if we want to calculate any mathematical calculation, we can use numeric keypad. Here is the fourth part of keyboard is cursor movement keys. These are arrow key and are used to move the cursor in the direction indicated by the arrow. So if we want to move our cursor into our computer system, we can use up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. Here is the image of keypad and all four parts of our keypads: function keys F1, F2, F3, F4, cursor key, numeric keypad and typewriter keys. We can also say it alphanumeric keypad. Okay, now we are talking about the advantages and disadvantages of keypad. So very first advantage of keypad is they are ideal for most applications such as word processing. Second, able to check accuracy as text comes up onto the screen if we are writing anything that can be shown into our computer system. Disadvantage of keypad: it is slow method. We are saying it's slow because it is slow comparison to scanning and dictation. Second is cause strain injury by typing too much. If we are using keypad very much, it can be cause our strain injury. Here is our second input device which we are going to discuss in this video is the mouse. The mouse is a small device used to point to a particular place and perform one or more action at a time. So basically we can say if we want to give any input command to our computer, like if we want to start our program, if we want to select a menu command, size window, we can use mouse. Here are the four actions which are performed by mouse. The very first action is left click, second is double click, third is right click and fourth is drag and drop. Basically, left click used to select an item. Double click is used to start a program or open a file. Right click usually used to display a set of commands. Drag and drop: it allows you to select and move one item from one location to another location. To achieve this drag and drop, place the cursor over the item, click left button and hold the button down, move the cursor where you want to place your item. Now the next part of this topic is type of mouses. First is wireless mouse. The mouse without having any wire is known as wireless mouse. This type of mouse use radio frequency technology to communicate information from your computer to mouse. I am giving you here one image through which you can easily understand how it's look. The second is optical. This type of mouse use an optical sensor because it does not have a mouse ball, and it detect all movement by sensing changes in the reflected light. The third is mechanical mouse. This type of mouse is integrated with an internal metal or rubber ball. This ball can be spin in all direction, like up direction, down direction, right direction, and left. The cursor on the screen moves when the mouse detects the directions. The last mouse type is laser mouse. It is a type of optical mouse that use laser light to detect mouse movement. I am giving here each mouse's image so you can understand how they look. The next part of this topic is advantages and disadvantages of mouse. So first start with advantages of mouse. So first is it is very low in cost, it is very easy to use, it takes very little space, multi icon files, a folder can be selected at a one time, it is possible to select option fast. These all are the advantages of mouse. And disadvantages of mouse are some people who have restricted hand movement cannot use it easily. Second is mouse get damaged easily because it is light in weight, it can damage easily. They requires a flat surface to be used. Okay, if you don't have flat surface you can't use it properly. Third, it cannot be carried with outside the home. Fourth is dragging the mouse makes it difficult to use sometimes. If you are dragging any item from one place to another place, it can cause sometime difficulties. So it is all for today. Thank you.